This question is from 2015 AMC 12B and it's problem 20. For every positive integer n, let mod sub 5 of n be the remainder obtained when n is divided by 5. So mod sub 5 of 2 is going to be 2 because 2 divided by 5 leaves you with a remainder of 2, and mod sub 5 of this number is also going to be 2 because when you divide this number by 5, you're going to get 2 as a remainder. Okay? Define a function f such that f is a function of two variables. The first variable can be any whole number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to infinite. And second number has to be between 0 and 4, an integer. And this thing is going to get you a range of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these two are domain. You have two sets that you're plugging into a function, and you're getting a range of one set recursively. And you're defining this recursively as follows. Mod sub 5 f of ij, so you're plugging in I and j, and you have some constraints. If I is equal to 0, and 0 is j is in between 0 and 4 inclusive, you're going to get mod sub 5 of j plus 1. For I greater than or equal to 0 and j equal to 0, you're going to get f of I minus 1, 1. And for I greater than or equal to 1 and j in between 1 and 4 inclusive, you're going to get this crazy function. And you want to find f of 2015 too, and of course 2015 is there because this test was administered in 2015. So let's figure this question out. And this question is not hard at all. It's just testing your ability to work for 5 minutes and fill out a table in a correct way. So let's just fill this out, starting with 0, 0. So let's let this be j. So j is always going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Oh, that's I, my bad. So you want to write j right here. And let's write I, which is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes on forever this way. So this thing is I. And we need our function definition. Okay. So for 0, 0, for I being equal to 0, which is along this row, our function value is going to be mod sub 5 of this thing plus 1. So this thing plus 1 for 0, 0 is 1. When you divide it by 5, the remainder is 1. For 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Divide by 5, remainder is 2. For 2, you get 3. For 3, you get 4. For 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Dividing by 5 gets you remainder of 0. So we have row 1 complete. Yes. Now let's move on to row 2. Now, hopefully, maybe you realized, for I greater than or equal to 1 and j being equal to 0, so they're talking about this part of the table. Our function value is f of I minus 1, so you're going backwards one row for I, and you're looking at the first value, j. So this value and this value are going to be the same. This value and this value are going to be the same. This one and this one are going to be the same. These two are going to be the same. This one and this one are going to be the same, all the way down to infinite. So we have all of these values that we know to be the same. So you know this value is 2. That's good to know. Now let's try to figure out 1, 1. For 1, 1, you gotta look at this because I is greater than or equal to 1 and j is between 1 and 4 inclusive. So you're going to go backwards one row. So you're going to go up 1 for I. So you're looking at I of 0, and you're going to look at our value 1, our function at 1, and j minus 1, 1. So you're going to look at f at 1, 1, which is 2. So for this value, you're looking at 0, 2, which gets you 3. For this value, you're looking at 0, 3, so you're getting 4. For this value, you're looking at 0, 4, getting you 0. For this value, you're looking at 0, 0, which gets you 1. Maybe you're seeing some pattern. So this thing is going to become a 3. And you may say, we're never going to get to 2015. But as you're about to find out, there's going to be an explicit pattern that's going to let you figure out 2015 pretty quickly once we get down to 4 or 5 or 6. So let's go on. For this one, you're going to look at 1, 3. So that's going to be 0. For this one, 1, 0. So 2. For this one, 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1. 3, 0, 2, 4, 1. Let's go on. So this one is going to be 0. And this value is going to be 2, 0, which is 3. This value is going to be 2, 3, 4. This value is going to be 2, 4, which is 1, and 2, 1, which is 0. Let's keep on going. For this value, it's going to be 3. These two are the same. For this one, you're going to look at 3, 3, which is 1, 3, 1, which is 3, 3, 3, which is 1, 3, 1, which is 3. Hey, maybe we're getting to something. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. That has to signify something significant or some pattern. Now you get 1, and look at this. 4, 1 gets you 1. And this thing is going to be 1, this thing is going to be 1, this thing is going to be 1. So everything, every value here and below are going to be 1. Only ones from the row 5 and below. So f of 2015 2 has to be 1. So the answer is B.